A bunch of plastic ties will hold the bottle on by the handle. You need 8 plastic ties. Mark them 5 inches from the end and cut them at 5 inches. Lay them next to each other like this. Make sure the heads are on top. Tape a ruler or a straight edge down to even the heads of the ties. Then push all the heads together. The bottom of the ties should be parallel. They should not converge. Cut off a piece of duct tape a little bit longer than the bunch of ties is wide. Line it up with the ends and really press hard to make it stick. Carefully flip over the assembly and sandwich the ties with another piece of duct tape. Trim the tape, but leave a little bit sticking out. The tie assembly will go on like this, but they won't hold the bottle on unless something keeps them from spreading out. That something is the bigger 1.5 inch diameter PVC pipe. You only need a 2-inch piece. If you cut it with the miter saw, the edge is nice and square. But hacksaws are notorious for cutting crooked. But if you wrap the pipe with a piece of paper and draw a circle all the way around, you can cut a little, rotate the pipe, cut a little more, rotate the pipe, and eventually make a nice straight cut. This is the trigger, and a very crooked cut could affect the function, so it's more than just looks. For the pull string, I used a piece of old baling twine because I like to recycle things. Whatever you use, choose a drill bit about the same diameter. Drill a hole near the end, but not so near the end that it might break out. Thread it from the inside to the outside. Then tie a knot on the outside. I tie a double overhand knot, but I think most any knot will do. Assembling the trigger mechanism can be a little awkward and confusing at first, so we'll take it one step at a time. Pull the big pipe over the ties, and notice that with the pipe in one position, the ties grab onto the bottle, but move the pipe a little and it lets the bottle go. It's time to attach the ties to the small pipe with a hose clamp. Get the tie ends and duct tape under the loose clamp. Get the wider pipe over the ties on the other end. Put the bottle to the bump firmly. You don't want it really tight, but you don't want it loose either. Get the tie heads over the handle of the bottle and lock on the bottle by sliding the pipe up. As I tighten the hose clamp, I'm pulling the ties this way to eliminate leaks. Tighten the pipe clamp pretty tight. I've never needed a second pipe clamp, but if you need the extra strength, there's plenty of room on the duct tape.